This is the pretty much coming towards the end of the Great Blizzard of 2016. Still coming down pretty heavy. Now it's coming down a lot heavier. It's picking up a little bit. The winds are still pretty strong. 25.1 inches measured at Central Park at 7 p.m. And right now it is about, I believe, 8:30, and it's still coming down. Pretty good clip. It's still blowing. Riverside Drive, Manhattan. New York City will definitely break the record. All time snow record, which is 26.9 inches. I'll be flipping the camera over now. Can't imagine how it was at about 4 in the afternoon when the bands were just pivoting over New York City continuously and constantly. Right now, still coming down at a moderate, borderline heavy clip. It's nice, it's unrelenting. One of the most unrelenting storms in my lifetime. One of the most powerful storms in my lifetime. And 20 years later, 20 years after 1996, about 3 weeks ago, 20 years ago, New York City was also shut down by the Blizzard 96.